Hello viewers, welcome to Elim TV, a station where you watch, learn and also interact. Your tutor today is Mr. Wanyoike, a mathematics teacher. In today's lesson, we are in form for lesson number 31 and the topic is statistics 2, and in today's subtopic, we are on calculation of mean of a grouped data. On to the lesson objective. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to calculate the mean of a given grouped data. There is an example here. Example 1, you are supposed to use this data given here. There are some students who sat for an exam, and this is their marks, and therefore you can see this table represent their marks. And what you are supposed to do, the number of students represent the number of students represent the number of students represent the frequency of the data. The number of students represent the frequency of the data. That is the number of students who sat for that particular exam. 20 to 29 only 3 students. 20 to 29 only the 3 students. Then 30 to 39. 30 to 39, as you can see in this diagram here, only 2 students. 40 to 49, 7 students. 50 to 59, 4 students. 60 to 69, 1 student. And 70 to 79, 2 students. 80 to 89, 1 student. You're supposed to come up with a frequency distribution table and you fill it. The marks column, the first column is the marks in percentage. Then we come to the second column, that is midpoint, that is X, and frequency column, that is small f, and finally the fourth column is Fx. How do we get the midpoint column? The midpoint column, you're supposed to take the first value, that is 20, you add it to 29, you'll get 49, then 49 divided by 2, you end up getting 24.5. And because the class interval between 20 to 29 is 10, the class interval is 10, you're supposed to add the class interval of 10 to 24.5, and you get the other. You add 10 in steps until you get the last in the midpoint column as 84.5. Under the Fx column, you're supposed to multiply 24.5 by 3, you get 73.5, and you repeat the same with the rest of the data, and you fill the Fx column. And after that, you're supposed to get the summation of Fx, and the summation of Fx in this case becomes 970.5. And also you get the summation of frequency, and in this case you get the summation of frequency is equal to 20. On to the calculation of the mean, you are supposed to apply this formula here, whereby the mean is calculated by getting the summation of Fx, you divide by the summation of F. And after you divide the summation, remember the summation of F was 20, and therefore you're supposed to get 970.5. You divide by 20, then you will end up getting 48.53, and that is the mean score. And we have come to the end of today's lesson. I'm going to give you this data. There is a table here. You are supposed to use this data in this table to calculate the mean of this data. The data is represent height in meters and the frequency of the each and every class or range. 10 to 19, 3. 20 to 29, 2. 30 to 39, 7, and so on until you move to 70 to 79. Then for reference, you can refer from KLB Secondary Mathematics Student Book 4, 4th edition, and the publisher is the Kenya Literature Bureau. For more information, you can reach us at Elim TV using the following contacts: SMS using the number which is well displayed for you, SMS number which is well displayed for you. You can also use YouTube platform at Elim TV, and also you you can use our Facebook platform at Elim TV, and finally Twitter at Elim TV _KE. Thank you very much for joining me in this lesson. Your presenter was Mr. Wanyoike. Till next lesson, bye bye.
Kaka tukisome.
Ama unaandika immediately.
Yaani kuandika?
Na present unaandika. Ama utaandika name baadaye.